All right, so welcome to part 3 of this Google survey / Amazon Mechanical Turk / whatever service you want tutorial. So in the previous video, I left off where you were supposed to fill in your bank account information on Stripe through Typeform. So here you should be able to now create a payment form in your Typeform and actually connect your account. So you can see that I've connected my account here, and if you follow the last video, you'll see how I did that. You can choose the currency, and then of course you can choose the price. So here we're going to say it's 12 bucks. 12 bucks for us to survey some people for you. It's required, of course. And I think that's basically about all we need. So once you're done with that, right, so pretty simple, we've got 3 questions here in our Typeform. We're just going to hit this view button on the top right, and it'll open up what it will look like in a new tab. So here you can see, okay, our question is here. What question would you want to ask 100 people for $12? Please tell us your email so we know where to send you your results. Then put your money where your mouth is and actually pay us. And I actually did this, and I got payments through it, so I know it works. And it's a great way to validate whatever service you want to provide before actually building out the full product, and it doesn't require any code. Okay, so I've got the link here at the top, so you can actually copy this link here, and we're going to go back to ship on product hunt, right? Remember our front-facing customer gateway. So I've just got this in a new tab here, so you can see, pick up where we left off, right? I'm going to edit the content. So here's the description: pay $12 to survey 100 people on your behalf. Get started now by filling out this Typeform, and we will email you your results once you're done. Oh, sorry, once we're done. Or once we've performed the service, whatever service that is. Okay, so we can add that again right there. So I'm just going to, okay, it's not updating here. Let me just, okay, just refresh the page basically. So let's just go back here. Come on. All right, so now you can see that our unique ship page, right? And you can actually take this link and share it to other people. So you can start sending it around if you want. But basically, people will land here. They'll see, hey, my name's Chris, et cetera, et cetera. Okay, here's the service that you're providing. They click on the link, right? They click on the link, fill out that form, they pay, and then on the back side, right, in your Typeform, you will have a list of all the people who paid and all of their emails for whatever service it is that you want to offer. Maybe your service is to ship flowers to an address every month, right? And so again, people will have paid for it. So you've got a list of the people who have paid for it, their emails, and you know what you need to do. Another example could be, what's off the top of my head? Maybe go and summarize the latest news on cryptocurrencies, or just go and read a website and read a book, a specific book, and summarize it for you. And so you go and read that book, summarize it, and come back here and find the person who requested it via their email, right? And then email them. So let's pause that for now and continue on in another video.